everybody, you don't know your boy Razablade, and today I'm here with my lovely girlfriend.
Yeah.
And today we're back with a mukbang. This food was prepared on her channel. She finally did a cooking video. I invite all of you to go check out her channel. My mouth literally a water more than ever before. Because today we're having rice and peas with ackee and chicken. And we have juice here ready to go. I say, you know, I could kick off the video then for the new year, so I need to just start by energizing myself first. What better way to do that?
It is actually a story time, but in a
It's
mukbang style.
Yeah, it's a story time in a mukbang style. Today we're actually going to talk about the whole thing when my mother did get pissed about when me and Angel just start talk. It happened when we just start talk. So, let's dig in.
You like it?
Love it.
And eat up all of them then.
Trust me, now have to tell me that twice. Alright.
So it all
started at
when,
the Fire Nation attacked.
you know, are you cause all of that?
Oh.
Because you never did tell me certain things from day one. Like,
Yeah, well.
I mean, me know you didn't like old enough to like have girlfriends and whatever, but you never did tell me say you're not allowed to do certain stuff. Like, you make me feel like yo, you're the boss in your yard. I see it, you make me feel.
Yeah, overdo it.
No, babe, me not overdo it. You make me feel like all is well. Just bring your girlfriend, come
yeah,
here.
you make me feel like all is well. Me never say me
I
a
mean,
boss.
you did have one side of the house for true. You did the over one side by yourself. So many things that everything alright. It all started when I think it was 2 days after we did start talk. Me did tell us it was 2 days? No, it wasn't 2 days. Probably 4.
Most one.
It was 4 days. Him said we will link up. And we did meet and we did go sit down at this primary school and we did a talk and whatever.
I realize primary school.
Yeah, we did a talk and we are reason and run, be a joke and laugh and a lot of stuff. So me say me get cold. Me never really cold, but me say me cold. And we go down at his house. No, him say we can go down at him house. And I say alright then fine. Just to have me walk in like all is well, gate pull everything.
Yeah,
Gate pull everything and just make me walk in. So me just walk in because me not know nothing. I mean, wanna listen clearly.
Yeah.
No males trick with no females. No man. No, I never trick, but be aware of your surroundings. I mean, I don't like nobody did this harm me, but
no, there's nobody wants to do
me just never know see your mommy the warm and me never did know see you're not allowed to do that. So always rule number one. No make no man carry a gun away where you don't know and you don't know nothing about it.
It's alright. You claim to say you did course. You never report, so where you there come down the far?
You see me a room look.
You see that room look?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anyway, what happened?
So me just walk in because they pull the grill and we literally never did a hide. I mean, when I walk in, like, you know, you're that dream screeching, no.
No, that's the thing.
We just walk in.
Mummy probably thinks that we did do that. Mummy, no, we never hide. We did just walk in.
I mean, I just walk in because me and normally that type of girl here, you not hide me. Me just tell you, I know when you come on to that, do not hide me. Me can't be in a side chick role. Yeah, me have to know your sister, your mother. I mean, if me meet them and they don't like me, that is another story. But me have to just meet them. Me have to dinner and say, hi, my name is Andrea, blah, blah, blah. And me that, me had enough one. But me just walk in, so me think all is well. And then because at night, me never did that like pressure and feel like, me go see your mommy, me go see your sister. Because me know I did have a sister. Never know I did have 2 sisters, but me know I did have. Me know about Lovell because I always talk about Lovell. And then when we go in, we did lay down in there, like literally lay down and talk. We never touch each other because we never used to each other, but we reason like deep. We lay down. I think, by the way, me lay down and you sit down up at the top of the bed. And then when me look, me hear like shadows and me see like shadows and me I hear walking like footsteps. So me I say, nah pay that no man. Me in me good up boyfriend, good up room.
Right.
Me safe. Anyways, me hear padlock I go up on gate, me hear chain I go up on gate. So me ask him now, so me get up and peep through the little things. So me ask him who that. Hear what Jesus said to me. Relax, and my mother, she doesn't lock up a place. You know, me know nothing same way now. But me think you need me talk now.
No, at first, me think mommy they lock the grill. As in the grill at the front. Let me get the understand saying mommy they lock the front gate. At our house, we normally lock the front gate at night because dogs pass through the yard. You know? So we normally put a chain around here and put a big lock there and lock it. Me never really know say mommy I lock it. You know, and then I think we did find out say that mommy lock, but we never did a really pray say yo.
And then me never did a thinking to it because
me just feel like she lock it because she feel like everybody did inside.
But you know, me feel like you did a pick up something but I never did a go tell me because you know want me to know say yo you are not the boss of the yard.
I could be brutally honest. Because I always consider myself an honest person, especially me in videos. Especially. I just put out the best side of me. Which can be the worst side and the best. I just put out the truth. Any guy in that situation then wouldn't want to say, yo, you know my mother lock up place and we're going in trouble. Think about it.
But you know why? You know why you know which part you make the mistake? I mean you could have tell me. Because when me and Jason just start talk with reason.
But what I know, me I tell you at the time, I never know that mommy at the gate far. You see me?
But yeah. She lock up a place and then me hear one time she knocked the door. You remember so she did knock the door?
Yo.
Twice. Then this is what him do. So me say no.
Hey, you know mommy I go
what kind of dilemma this? Like what is this? Anyways, he tell me to relax. Relax. And me did your mommy knock the door again. He said me to lay down. Me I go out there. But when me, as me say, me don't want nobody hide me. So when him tell me to lay down, me sit down up and put my foot in the doorway because me want she feel know say me not hide because I'm not about that life. I put my foot in the doorway and me did it and me listen. Then me hear this big whole argument out there and me just sit down. Me not say nothing, me sit down.
What did you
listen. Me did I say like you lied to me. Because if I did tell me say yo your mommy don't want nobody to come there, me not do that because
you not come there when she not did?
I mean, knowing so we are young people, me would have come there when she not did that because even though her house and her roof, I mean, me coming there when she not did it, I mean, a little bit
safer.
Not really safe, but
more respectful.
Yeah, more respectful because she not say me a come and me don't know why people have it in them heads. So normally when you go to one boy house, you only go there for have.
That's something there.
Yes. Like stop it. It is not a good thing.
So me ever ask you, hold on, me attack you. You say you never really cool. So what you did want? You did just want to
come in the room? You asked me this twice. I wanted to see your room.
You just want to see her in her room,
and then no one say your boyfriend no and you pass. Listen to this. Imagine. You call me over. You say we would need to meet up. We meet up, we walk past your house, go up and one school. So me I wonder why we walk past your house and your house is right there. But knowing me, like me go with the flow. Like me not complicate situations. Like if this is what you want to do, let us do this then. So we go up at the school and we sit down and chat because knowing saying do that, me did I say, yo, I mean, even though at school we go sit down and talk, nothing is romantic about that, but it is much better. Like, my imagination not fair run wild to say, yo, why you come in a room? I know a sexy one, probably me that pushed off knowing that him want, that him really want her. Who knows? I don't know. But, yeah. So, me did really want to go over your house because we passed your house. Anyways, me hear the big old argument outside. And me sit down and me never said nothing. I mean, your mommy did say one or few things that I took personal, very personal. But you know what? You know the type of person who maybe me think twice and me I say, yo, me have no reason to feel that way because your mother no say Me no know nothing wrong. Me no know say I wasn't supposed to be there. Me no know nothing. Like, me just go over the people them yard. Like, no, not people because I'm a good mother-in-law now and I love her very much. But me just go over there not knowing that Jason wasn't supposed to do that. So me blame you. Me blame you, really. I mean, me in it, but me blame you, really. So me just go over there and then she did say one and two stuff that I took personal.
Because she did vex.
Yeah, she did vex. And if me did want mother, I mean...
You that feel so now.
Yeah, me that feel so for true. Knowing say,
oh, you're good.
and then wait, and knowing say your mommy a Christian, it was very disrespectful. That's why me just back and say, you know what, me not gonna feel no way. Jason know, say your mommy a Christian, I didn't know. Me no know, remember me no know nothing. Me just know that Jason grew up in a very good home because we did a reason. So knowing say your mommy they a Christian and we just come in there and probably she feel like we are do other stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, that was disrespectful. So me never bother take it personal. Me just say, you know ma, I could blow it off. I mean, it's go hard for me like go to your mommy and apologize and do all these stuff. But it happened. I think it was a month after. Because me did always start hide from Jason mommy. Bear in mind, me did know your sister them now. Me know your brother. Me know everything. And no, me never go to your mommy. And no. Because me I hide from her now because me feel embarrassed. You know?
Yeah. Because
probably she has said me know so me never did to be there.
I mean, if you be believing for that still, straight up and honestly still, because every time then, I carrying girl when I'm with the hair and that, but me I hide them in. But in night, it just that, me just things that she has saved. You remember me I say in the video, me and her just say, enough time she knows I'm sneak out, but she do like she don't know. Me know if you have access enough time to sneak out and she don't know. So the time when she know, she catches me, but, you know?
Yeah. So I never did really have up that in my heart, no. Like, I used to get both him, I lost both him.
Yeah.
Because Jason did wrong.
If you have to tell me that you're Christian, that make you think, really, go that far with her.
And even if she never did a Christian, she have alright to be like how she be. Not to make she feel good, but she have alright because of her roof. And if she make a rule and say, I do not want this to be happening.
My mother never said that.
No,
Jason.
Jason.
Never a rule.
Jason, I never did one rule, but your mother, you know what she want to happen from what she don't want to happen. So there and then I can put two together and say, Mommy, I want this to happen.
Why they had the two they good at that?
Yeah, but even if she never did a Christian, I fear a rule because if you live here, so I say, yo, me no want nobody come here in the house with them shoes on. I mean, I don't want nobody to do it. Nobody at all.
So you're still vexed?
No, I'm not upset, none at all. Because after a while...
Because when you come turn, Mommy, all I want to trade me for you now. Mommy want
not
keep
really
you,
trade, but...
Mommy want to keep you and dash out me.
Because we're girls. We're females. Not girls. Females.
We just fall, love you, know, I want.
Because you see, it's never too late. Moral of the story. Well, we never really reach the moral, but moral of the story. It is never too late to do the right thing here. Because me did I play hide and seek with her for a month. She don't know me, I don't know if she aware, so me did I do it for a month, but me did I do that because me did embarrassed. Jason did always say, that's not nothing, blah blah blah. Me a female, me know how them things they say. Me have a mother with still just the same.
Yeah, just the same.
So, me did know, so me did I hide from her and then this one day.
Yeah, me remember that day, you know, me talk about that now, because you talk about how me here in the first. This one day, me say, yo, me and make you go talk to me, but you did hard. But baby, you know, say, even before what did happen, you did call to go to my mother. Because how me talk to your mother. And it's not like me there tell you nothing bad, but me there tell you say, yo, she's a stern, strict type of lady and who fear morals them high and it's not even like say she did have no little bar if you say to her you have a pass by. Nothing like that, but she just different.
Wait! Yeah, jump too far. Anyway, the argument did happen outside and his big sister come out. May I tell you? The humblest person I ever meet. Other than my stepfather, because my stepfather humble. Other than my stepfather, she a humblest person I ever buck up on.
Jody.
Yo, me not even exaggerate. She come out and she just come out there like, well, like this one. And your mother did argue and she said, alright then mommy, alright, just humble the girl. And then she just humble. But anyway, she did there argue.
And every time I gas up and ready for blow like
and
a
Jason
bomb.
did out there argue. You know, me did feel away. Me never said this to you, but me did feel away. So you
never
actually
said
stand
me,
up
no.
out there and argue. You could have seen me expression them still because when me
You
and
never
go
have
me
to tell
did
me. Me did know say you feel away.
because me say you not have no right to out there start arguing now.
Me never have about that, but me just say, Mummy lucky gate. Mummy lucky gate. That kind of petty.
That was petty, but I mean, so she won't deal with it. But you never did have no right to
No, that's what me did vex more still. Because I fear we got
Baby actually done?
Yeah, cause yeah, enjoy the mukbang but you not enjoy the food.
Yeah, but
You enjoy the story time but you not enjoy
Jason did out there argue. Me never did like that. I mean, don't argue because you know what you did. It wasn't right at all.
You want so like my mother?
But you never right, in all honesty.
We know.
But anyways, when me there go, me did fake come and say, yo, you know, you're not can't nobody come over here yard.
See,
You
you
make
left
me
me.
walk in. No, me never did that. I didn't good up with a boyfriend when I love her.
Oh.
Yeah, don't judge me. 4 days. Yeah.
Yo.
That love that grew up quick.
The way I think probably the chemistry push it and the communication.
Yeah, the communication. Even now, the communication. Oh,
And the communication we even did stay together after that. And
yeah, and then
I think the day after you come over me was coming just something important to do.
anyways. Well, go home and me never did that talk. Me did be quiet and me say, yo, you make me feel like you have over this a lot. Like you can do whatever you want to. And me say everything in my mind, you know. And then me see him get sad. Can I talk about that?
Yeah, talk. Me don't know what me did do, but
Anyways, I did get sad because I did embarrassed. And me feel when you stop me and hug me. And I don't know you did that around there so, but I'm assuming you did a cry. You did a cry. Me not pretend no. You did embarrass.
anytime people say me they cry, it was funny for me. Me they cry?
By the way, that is second. That I did the first time I ever see her cry, but in total me see her cry only about 3 times.
3 times from here.
And we're talking
2 years.
from 2016. Yeah. And him start crying and me hug him and I say, there you go, you soon have your own place, you soon make your own rules. And that's just part of life, you have to deal with it. If you can't do nothing about it, you have to just deal with it. And I hug him and I kiss him because he did have a very important day. The day after.
Yeah.
And you know what my silly ass did?
You come back over there the
Back
next
over
day.
there.
Mummy never did over there that day.
She never did that though, but
Sunday
it was a Sunday.
Yeah, Mummy always leave your house.
Did he carry dinner for you?
No, not that Sunday.
Oh, me did go back over there. Me I help him to prepare me,
She
organize
everything.
When me go to bed, no spread nothing I do. Me spread up the bed, me organize everything. Me looking clothes, and me put every document where they must go. Me I say, alright. And we did go eat after.
Yeah.
We go eat, and then him did go on taxi. When you reach, he come, me say reach, and me did still feel sad in a way because me did still feel sad though because me say me never did like what really happened.
Yeah, you start off with the wrong food.
Yeah.
But now, you know, so my mother called me a lot and my mother called she more than how she called me. My mother said she ring me before one time I don't answer, she got call.
But wait, you know why? Your phone hard to get to. But yeah, that did happen. And we go over there next day. Nana, she ain't know.
Yeah, someone will say you really love me, you know.
I sense me now.
Alright, you should have come back.
I should do. They're going to let me never. I should do. But yeah.
So you're sorry, so you come back?
No. I mean, me never. But you come thinking so me I gonna give you good luck, but
No, you give me good luck. Because first thing you say, it's very nice. So you want to make have my own place, make my own rules. What we have now?
true. You remember me always at yo.
We are coming from
The
4.
therapist, you know.
Yeah.
I always say patience, and then when you know when me look about the relationship here, when him slack up, me dead behind him back, me annoying when he come on to them stuff there. Me dead behind him back, and then you see nothing, and me slack up the worst. And all of them, the advice that when should I take myself, him and give me, yeah, shake up my life out of my body.
Me ever shake
I
up
have to shake your leg.
I don't know, it's a habit. But anyway, I can't sit down and watch and just pick, pap, through this food and I almost don't share mine. So I just want the people to know the story what really happened. Is that thing where I'm glad to me actually?
Yeah, tell them how me meet your mommy and what your mommy did say?
Yeah.
After hiding?
Do it fast, come on, cut the video.
Me did go over there because me did a print something
Yeah.
in the morning. And me tell her, me explain to her. Me never explain what really happened. Said Jason carry me and whatever. Because you know me not gonna just left for Jason to get all of the blame. But she talked to me and she made realize that she a Christian and me understand everything. Because me didn't know that she a Christian from the night. But she explained everything and me understand, and then after that me just have this love for her because she did say this one thing what me no want to say.
Yeah.
Like I rather not to say, and I never did nothing nice nor nothing mean, but she did say this and me just respect it because me I say I real something. But you know, we did just talk after and me did get her number and we communicate over the phone.
What happened for?
And all of that.
Wake up your mother talk to my girlfriend.
Moral of the story. It's never too late to do the right thing. I think we said that already. Just do the right thing. Because when you do the right thing, it feels so good. May I tell you, it feels
No, you can't go over there anytime. Walk in. That's why.
Your mom in a life, I'm not all that.
Yeah. Yes, Deandra. Me say, you know, me even like soon, you know. But anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I don't think we have anything else to say. Hope you enjoyed the mukbang. Always remember to leave a like on the video, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And stay tuned for videos because we're uploading daily now. Me I upload daily now, I don't know about you.
And don't forget, no, a week, every week.
Every week, yeah. Weekly for her, daily for me. On this channel.
And don't forget to go over my channel to see how I prepare
Yeah. If you check out our channel to see how she prepared this. Whoop.
I'm not going to thumbnail.
Thumbnail already made. But anyway, we don't have nothing more to say. So I am out of here.